Today I'm going to go over how to change a key fob battery on a Jeep Cherokee key fob. This is for a 2016 but works for 2014 up to I believe 2024 are this generation of Jeep Cherokee. So that guy, key comes out, flip it up. The screwdriver goes into this slot here, not the slot that the key came out of. Twist gently and move across like so. So that came out. Boom. This cover comes off. Then we're going to slightly pry the battery fob. It's in here. We're going to pry this up like so and then pull out around. So pull that off. It exposes the key fob. We fold this corner down and push up so you can slide this out. Boom, battery slides out. Notice which side is up. You have to get this the right way. Boom. Then when you're putting the key fob battery back in, that goes on like so. Tuck that back down in there. This goes back in like so. Start with the corner and make sure that's pressed in. Then this presses in like so. And yeah, go around, make sure that's all clicked into place, and then throw your key back in and you're all done. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.